how to create a Wix wedding website. So what I've done here is I've just loaded up Wix. I have this website created previously, but we can just click on here and we can create a new site by clicking on this button. Now I'll show you how we can build this wedding website. So we will create on the Wix editor. I suggest using the Wix editor because it's going to be way easier. So here we will set this up without chat and search for your business or site type. We will just type wedding here, and you can see this wedding blog, planning company, wedding planner, but I'll just do a basic wedding website. And immediately after we type wedding here, it's going to give us some styles and some templates which we can choose from. So this will gather up the most relevant options for a wedding website here, and I'll show you how we can choose from those and how we can also customize them and add our own images, text, so on and so forth. So the event name is going to be Ned's Wedding. We will click on continue here. The event type can be a ticketed event, set pricing and capacity, or we can set a wait list, or we can just keep this option altogether here. The time and location, you can choose your wedding date here. So for example, if it's on the 23rd of August, 7 p.m. here, you can, set the time. I'm going to click on continue. Useful tools, seating map, event schedule. You can see all of these tools which we can use. I'll just add a seating map here. I'm going to click on continue, and we will continue to the dashboard. Now this will have created the base for our wedding website. Now what we need to do is choose the design. So here, click on design side, and we will customize a template. So pick a template here. I recommend using this option. So it's going to look like this wedding website. You can see the bread and butter of all of the websites here. So you can choose whichever one you think is going to fit your wedding the most, which fits your vibe. For example, let's do this one. I like the look of this one. So Lee and Tom, we'll just click on edit, and this will essentially begin using this template for us, this wedding website template for us. And the initial build up of the website might take a little bit of time here to load up the entire design, but just be patient, and I'll show you how we can add our own images as well. So this is what the website is going to initially look like. It's going to be very simple. It's going to be clean, and we can just customize this however we want. So the first thing here, you can see we have a welcome section, book now, create your unforgettable experience. You can edit all of these sections here. So first things first, I'll show you how we can add images. So obviously you want to customize this, you want to add your own images. We will click on add elements here. The second option is going to be image, and we can upload images here by clicking on this button, and we can upload from our computer. Now that is how we add images. We can also add text by going here, text, and we can add different headings. So for example, if I want to customize this to Ned's Wedding, I'll type this out. You can obviously resize it. You can change the graphics here. As you can see, you can also play around with these, which are pre-created. So Ned and, Tom, Ned and myself. You can change it. You get the gist of it. And you can pretty much rearrange all of these menus as well. So if we click on pages and menu, map, our story, wedding, getting there. If you don't need any of these menus here to appear, we'll just click on the three dots and then we'll delete them. And as you can see, they immediately disappear. And if you need any further help, you can obviously customize this to your liking. If you need any further help with specific tutorials for Wix, you can check out my channel. But you can play around with this and create your own wedding website. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.